second day, I guess. We're at sea, and we are passing, I think, Havana, per the map. And we're just getting up early here. The sun isn't even up yet, but we're up. And we are going to go take a walk around the ship, see what there is to see. I just thought I would share the morning sea today. There you go. Brian, good morning.
That's why you get a balcony. That's why you get a balcony right there. It's nice.
It's beautiful.
Good morning, ocean.
Hello. Oh yeah, I should probably shut this. Oh. There we go. What? What does that say?
It says, I think someone put boobs. You can, if you step back, you can kind of see it. Oh, that's classy.
Yep,
Keep
they
it classy,
did.
San Diego. Keep it classy. Okay.
Okay.
Deb, I know it was you.
Yeah, it was me. Oh, I have fruit, don't I?
You do.
All right. We stashed some fruit. We stashed some fruit from the garden cafe last night. So I have breakfast already set, ready to go. Oh yeah, good morning.
Deb's excited.
I'm getting my juice. We can go green. Nice.
Oh yeah. Notice that yours is even better.
I'm sure it's better. It's probably commercial grade.
Could you go with me for a minute and see my wife and tell her that I'm smart?
Yeah.
Please?
You're smart.
She won't believe you.
Ooh, look at that.
44 years, she won't.
She won't believe ya, huh?
Thank you, Deb.
I love it.
I knew
It's amazing.
What's in it?
It's
Carrots.
carrot and celery and green apple.
Oh,
So that's pretty good. Start burning here.
That's it. Thanks again. See you tomorrow. What do you think?
It's good. It's good stuff. So I ate my fruit in my room, but I'm having a juice. And then we're gonna just have a little breakfast here from the garden cafe before we move around. So kinda nice. Alright, we're gonna enjoy some food. And the sun just came up and it's beautiful and lovely. It's gonna make a great day.
Now I know the ocean and the sun is part of what's making you happy, but we all know based on that last clip, that juice is really what's doing it for you. We can see it. It's easy to see.
Alright, we'll catch you guys later. Ooh, omelet. Maybe we should do that
Well,
tomorrow.
especially if I'm there early, then
Yeah.
usually there's a big line.
Yeah.
Usually there's a big line,
Totally. Yay!
Very smart.
Very good idea.
My husband is sleeping.
You got it.
His turn is tomorrow.
You're the early riser.
No.
Nice. Very nice.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good day.
You too. Oh, we're going back up. Press it again. Hold it. See, we forgot to press it. Now, quick. Oh, it's we're going up to go down, I guess.
Right back where we were.
Oh wow. Now it's just us in the elevator. Look at the elevator. Very similar to what we know from the Escape. Good coffee?
Yeah. Passable. You're gonna want to buy a Starbucks. Oh.
It's lovely.
Okay. So do you want to dump yours?
Oh no, I don't think I can record in here. Are we gonna go play some poker? Nice.
Little Danishes to keep you nourished so you can gamble.
Yeah, this is right by the casino. Good little refreshment station. Orange juice and stuff. That's so sweet. How much is it?
Do I need to do the river dance?
Yep, please do. We need a dancing leprechaun.
Now that is a crazy line right there. That's insane.
How much is it, I wonder?
$113 maybe.
Woohoo! Alright, we just got done playing at the casino. You know, we're all winners here, right?
We did pretty good.
We did okay. So now we're gonna go maybe find the shuffleboard and go play a game or two. Alright, what a beautiful morning. I'm guessing this is amazing. There's land right there. Look at that. We're gonna see how we do. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be fun.
You may want to put that bag down or on your back.
Yeah, I'll just set it down. Alright. So I'll be red.
Oh, honey, I can't get through. You're standing right in the way.
Alright. You want to go first?
Yeah, what you thinking?
That was easier. Like this? So you have to be behind this line, right?
I think anywhere behind that line is what you wouldn't want to shoot it back here. This is the first white line.
Okay.
Oh my.
That's too far.
That's
Shoot,
too
Steve.
far.
Okay. Too far. Now I know.
Alright. Oh yeah, Dave.
I know. It was way over there.
Way out there.
Too far. Come on. Oh, it's on the white line. Shoot.
I gotta get my feel for this.
That's why they make you do it 3 times, right?
Yikes.
We kind of do suck.
You only gotta show them when we do good.
Yeah, we are not professionals. This is just for fun.
Total perfection.
Oh my gosh, that is a long ways.
Like the mountains you can see, they go.
Hey, we got a friend. He's going fishing. Man. And then we have a ship over there. It's really hard to judge, isn't it?
And I did. You knocked your own puck off the board. You're not supposed to do that. It's fun cruising.
Oh my goodness.
It's fun.
I'm so glad we decided to take on cruising last year. Why did we wait so long?
It's true.
It's amazing. So nice that the audio will leave. we'll go check out the atrium and see if they have any fun stuff going on.
I love shuffleboard. That's fun.
Me
Did you
too.
do that?
I'm a big fan. We did get better after our hack job of trying it out. Brian won 2 games. I didn't win.
It was close. It was close. Let's be fair.
All right.
That was fun.
Shins. I think I have my cruise hair on today. That's good. We're all set.
You're funny. You're so entertaining.
All right. This is one of my favorite spots.
Atrium, right? You wanted to go down,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Shins and the atrium. Yay! Stair skis.
Good morning, Norwegian Getaway. This is Joey, your assistant cruise director, inviting you to our very important port and tour presentation happening in 15 minutes time in the Getaway Theater located on Lake 74. Ladies and gentlemen, this morning you're going to have a chance to win 200 vouchers to one lucky winner in Puerto, happening in 15 minutes time in the Getaway Theater located on Lake 74.
All right. This is the atrium. Yeah. Really nice place to sit and relax. You know, we were outside for a while, and now we'll come inside for a while. It's kind of fun.
And then later,
We'll go back
we're gonna go
outside
for a
again.
while.
And pretty much then we'll just be outside.
Oh yeah, these big exciting moves on a cruise ship.
We're gonna do nothing inside for a while, and then we're gonna go outside and do nothing for a while outside. The best part of cruising. Ooh, we can watch some cardio fitness here. Fun.
The Property Brothers are not here to train the fitness, so don't worry. Yeah, so you know, it's okay. She got excited for a while.
I thought maybe they were here. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. They're the best on HGTV though. That's all we had when we got to Miami. We stayed at that hotel and there's nothing to do, so we were watching HGTV all night basically. And the Property Brothers are on, so that was nice. I like that.
So if you don't know the answer, you just guess one number. It's from century 1 to century 21. It's very easy.
England?
What century?
Oh, century. I thought it was country.
I hope you were recording that.
I wasn't paying
Tell me you were.
attention.
Century 1 to century 21.
What
Guess one number.
England?
Right.
Is it Alex? So what is England?
Who is the worst trivia player ever?
It has 2 thumbs.
This girl.
Write down one name and the answer sheet.
See?
Ooh, right into the water. Oh no, just above the water.
We got we have some birds fishing. I don't know if you can see them.
Dive, dive, dive.
Going for the kill. Need a little snack. It's about lunchtime. It's amazing. We're constantly passing.
Oh, Cuba's long. It's big. It's not a typical island. It's big.
Yeah, it's really. It doesn't seem like an island. It seems like it ends though, and then that's what I thought before, and it doesn't. But. So we had to come back to the room. I got some new
Swag.
stuff from the store. My battery was dead, so I couldn't video in there. But I'll be back because there's a sweatshirt I want. Brian knows it.
Debbie, you're worth it. You're supposed to do the na.
So now I think we're gonna maybe do lunch. But our agenda today, I mean, is to do nothing here and there all day long. Get as much of that as we can in. I want to show you
As
something.
much of nothing that we can.
Yep, I'm not gonna drop you. Okay, There's the shuffleboard that we played at. It's kind of cool. That was so much fun. I'm making Brian nervous. I'm holding-
minus one GoPro from our inventory.
That'd be an interesting video,
That
though.
would not be. Yeah, that video would actually be pretty good.
Will it survive? I don't know. So, pretty much. Let's see what else we got. We've got. What do we got going on today? We did trivia.
We have lots of shows.
Well, we
Casino action, eating.
we want to go
sunny.
watch Mr. Sexy Legs at the pool deck. That'd
Yeah.
be fun. And then maybe listen to some music at the pool. And then Brian wants to play some more at the casino.
We've
No.
got Battle of the Sexes. No,
No.
that's not it.
We have Newlywed Game.
Newlywed Game to watch, which we love. And Deb wants to be in the sun, of course.
And we're
Yeah.
going to do teppanyaki tonight.
Oh, it's just
So-
so
oh,
packed.
it
How are we?
is.
It's so
It
exhausting. What are we
is.
going to do?
Vacationing is so
Yeah, right. I'm sure there's lots of sympathy there.
Okay, now we'll be doing a lot of nothing too. So I'm charging my battery and we'll probably go grab some lunch. So
Ladies and gentlemen, very good go. Go ahead, camera, take a closer look at our goalies.
all right, we played Buffalo Gold.
That's our first hand pay ever. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
We got oh my goodness. We have a story for you. We are going to lunch at Margaritaville. Just got back from the casino. So we're gonna go have some chips and guac and watch the ocean. It's gonna be fun. All right, so I actually can't even believe it. But we just came from the casino and we got our first hand pay playing Buffalo slots. Buffalo Gold. So we got $1,700 just by bonus after bonus or bonus after few triggers, and it's kind of hard to believe. We're still kind of realizing it.
It's better than losing. Okay, it's way better than losing.
It's way better than losing. So now we are hungry, but we're at the Garden Grill. We're just having some water.
Waiting for Margaritaville to open.
Yeah, Margaritaville doesn't open until noon, and we're hungry right now. So we just have to wait, but we're enjoying. So first part of our day has been fantastic. I don't know if the rest of the day can beat the first half, but we're gonna try. We're gonna do our best. It should be amazing. Here's our little view of the sea. Very nice.
That's wonderful. Both wonderful.
Equally.